with 5 simple tips to fake confidence on the dance floor. I'm also going to explain to you why we've been gone for a long time and now we're back. In order to accomplish anything in life, you need to have a plan, a game plan. Ask the girl for a dance, they drag her to the dance floor, and once they get to the dance floor, they have to look up and catch the rhythm. Already, you're lost because she's sitting there. Maybe you're dancing with someone who already knows the rhythm. So she's just going to be sitting there waiting for you to start. Waiting and waiting is not going to increase the tension and the connection. My number 1 tip, count the music before you ask her to dance. Okay, so the lady's drinking at the bar, the music comes on. What you want to do is catch the rhythm. Count yourself in, 1, 2, 3, and have that rhythm in your head. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me, can you dance? Don't count it in your mouth though. Take her to the dance floor, 5, 6, 7, and boom, you're already on the beat dancing. There's no need to wait. You're in there. You're in the music and you're grooving already, okay? It will increase the confidence and you'll just get to the dance floor ready to go. Tip number 2, never ever start off in open position. Firstly, you're looking at your follower. She's staring at you blankly. What's he gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? And you have to sit there, 7, and look and think what you're going to do. And for sure, this distance, looking her in the eyes, maybe she's wearing some dress, who knows? You're gonna get distracted. The wrong part of your brain is gonna start working, okay? Always start in closed position. This way, when she's looking at you, you don't have to. You can look past her. It seemed counterintuitive that being closer is going to be more comfortable, but actually it's much more comfortable because here, there's no pressure for her looking at you to see what you do next. So you can start your dance basic, pa, 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 and there's no pressure to do a move because you can now only do so much when you're dancing in closed position. You cannot do that much. Tip number 3. In dance or in anything, even in a story. So for example, we just made a movie. When you have a story, when you have a song, there's always a beginning, a middle, and an end. And usually it goes like a pyramid, right? You have the start, you have the middle, and then you have the end. It is usually when the beginner is dancing, he immediately pulls out his masterful moves right out of the gate. Taka, taka, ta, and he's doing something crazy, whatever, out of the gate. And there's no build up because you're starting up here. The lady will also feel this because when you're starting off slow, it shows that you're not trying to impress her. I'm just gonna do basic. I'm confident enough to do a basic with her. Because my mindset, when I'm dancing, it's not like beginner mindset. The beginner mindset is impress her. But my mindset is not impress her. My mindset is check. What kind of dancer is she? What is her level? And I'll know that by taking her for a few turns. So it's a completely different mindset. And you should have that mindset even though you're a beginner, right? You're dancing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Check her. Check what she does, okay? Okay, so she has some training. I can feel she holding my hand correct. Okay, now we try something else. Oh, okay, she can handle some arm work. Okay, good. Can she prep for her turn? Okay, very good. Is she falling all over the place? No. It's flip the script. Tip number 4, step away from your partner. Some girls, maybe they're beginner dancers, they don't want to be left alone, because a lot of times they don't have confidence to dance by themselves. I'm gonna give you a tip to solve that problem. Most of the time, the beginner dancer, he stays connected to the girl the whole time, but you want to step away and dance solo. But what I would recommend doing is crossing your partner. So for example, here, if I break away, and I have a lot of leaders ask me how you break away from the lady. Actually, you just break away by stepping away. It's not that hard. But for example, you start off your basic step, pa, 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 pa. Maybe you go to the side step, right? So you're solo a little bit. But what I would recommend is pass the lady. So how do you do that? There's no real timing to do this. All you do is just pass her. Come to the other side, and then you're doing basic and ta ta ta. So just pass your partner. Pass her to the next side, and don't worry about any count. Just pass. Just pass and dance. Ta ta ta. It doesn't matter. You can even hum. Pa 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 and ta, and she'll feel fun with that. Okay. Okay. Tip number 5: give the lady time to style. It's another big, big thing. So a lot of times the leader is like, I need to do moves, I need to do this, I need to do that. No, no, no. Let the girl shine. I'm gonna give her a moment, an opportunity to express herself. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna bring her across. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Or you can do another way. You can just bring her across. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Da, da, da. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Da, 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 da.